in our region, it is called Mother Caspian, because the Caspian Sea is not only geography, it is identity. For some, it is a source of livelihood. For some, it is a place of rest. But I think for many, it is part who they are. The memory, traditions, and the way of life that connects generation to generation. But today, the story is changing. Communities are already feeling these impacts. Fishermen are facing uncertainties, ecosystems are shifting. The climate change is not acting alone, and it is actually accelerating the pressure that already in place. For that reason, managing rivers and protecting them, monitoring them are becoming more and more essential for the future of the Caspian Sea.
Nature always delivers on more than one front. Wherever we can support nature to function in a healthy manner, we're delivering benefits for people, for climate, and we're buffering the impacts of climate change.
It is our duty that we share. We should act now, collectively, responsibly, to ensure that the story continues.